Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to log out of Netflix on all devices. So that process you can do through the official application of Netflix here. So after you download the application and you start your session, you need to go to the any of their profiles and you go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile. And after that, you need to go to the option of cuenta. In English, this is the option of account. So you put here, and this process don't matters is the application is in Spanish of in English. The options, the buttons, everything gonna be in the same place. It's just the language what change. So in this part of account of cuenta. You need to pick here in the option of seguridad y privacidad. This is security and privacy. You need to pick here encerrar sesión en todos los dispositivos. This is logout session in all device. In English, you put here, you confirm you want this, and that's it. You log out your account of Netflix in all device. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.